afternoon, guys. Honestly, it's scorching heavily here. I'm under the sun working. Oh, I get to have some shade inside the car now. But let's take a walk to the side to show you guys what we are really doing. Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk to the side. A second. Let's take a walk to the side. These are concrete. These are concrete. They are concrete. Let's see the iron filter and the mercery guys. You can see them. This is carpenter. This is the iron filter. No album. Oh, my the service dot. Okay, no. May 1 foot. You can make bruise 1 foot from this wall, right? No, like this now. From wall to that 6 inches. Or 1 foot come. You can get it. Then you 1 foot now. You guys make a bruise full half. Don't use here, but flush here with that square here. That's all. These are pack of materials. Go ahead with the tape, huh? You want the tape? Iron. Huh? Toria. What are the tape? One foot from there. 1 foot from there. Not too much. There was a full half things about square. That's all. This side is okay now. See. This thing they go up now. This thing they go up and I go reduce the sand here. Throw them inside. Which one be landscaping? That's not landscaping. I go level and now. See level now. See the level where you carry the come. Maintain that level. Carry the sand. Carry the sand. Go inside. Now, iron. No. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. The way you do it, you can't call it okay. You are checking the foundation. So always ensure that you bend at 135 degrees. You are checking the foundation for more stability. It's very vital. Very that you start your foundation at this level. It ensures more stability of the structure. It's touching heavy. So heavy. This is our 8th day of this project. This is our 8th day. This is our 8th day. 7th day rather. Because we started this work on Monday last week. So today is also Monday. So as you can see, by weekend now we'll be doing the oversight concrete. From tomorrow, the laterites for filling will start coming in. Then Possibly by weekend, we'll do the oversight concrete. Then by next week, we jack it up. Then deck it. Decking follows. Because we are going to deck it at the same time. No time to waste. No time to waste. No time to waste. Don't forget to tell us what you observe from what we are doing. The risers are ready for you to see that you are prepared to execute this project. We are still at the foundation, but the risers are ready. We spaced at 200 mm, 8 inches spacing, zero spacing.